Ever pack for a trip and end up wrestling with an overstuffed suitcase? You're not alone. Today, we're turning that packing chaos into a smooth, stress-free adventure packed with humor and practical tips. Start by choosing the right bag. Pick one with smart compartments and smooth zippers that make packing feel effortless. It's like selecting the perfect travel buddy who just gets you. Next, plan like a genius and pack like a minimalist. Lay out your clothes and ask yourself, do I really need 3 pairs of jeans for a beach trip? Choose outfits that mix and match seamlessly and watch the bulk melt away. Here's a game changer. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space, but it also keeps wrinkles at bay. It's a simple trick that makes your suitcase look impeccably organized. Then come packing cubes. They're like mini closets for your bag. Use them to sort shirts, undergarments, and gadgets neatly. A well-organized bag is a joy to travel with. Keep your toiletries travel-sized. Use leak-proof bags and mini bottles so you can avoid any messy spills that might ruin your clothes. Try a little shoe Tetris. Pack socks inside your shoes. This clever move saves extra space while protecting your kicks. Finally, always keep your essentials, like your passport, charger, and earphones, on top or in your carry-on for easy access. A few final tips. Leave some room for souvenirs and weigh your bag before you head out. Skip that extra pair of shoes you won't really use. You've just mastered the art of travel packing. Enjoy your trip, travel smart, and don't forget your toothbrush.